There is no such thing as perfection. But when it comes to perfecting something, precision is the keystone that keeps it all together. It is a true testament to what hard work and dedication can achieve. It may be a complicated and laborious task, but it's all worth it in the end. Precision engineering is like an art form that entails a design with extreme accuracy, sophisticated high performance with fine tolerances. Precision engineering, a vital component to most modern-day devices and technology.